Hello, Narnath here with another opening, unboxing. Today here I have a package from my good Canadian friend Sonofthebong. I can open it here today. These are really cool knives. You shall see in a bit. New Benchmade box. I've never actually seen the Benchmade box before. When I bought my knife, my 42, never had a box. So, ooh, oh wow. So this is a Mcharron, I think that's how you say it. Mcharron 51 with titanium scales. I guess that's all you done is put titanium scales. Wow, this is nice. I knew that was going to happen. Well, it's not terrible. I'm not sure if this is the one with the bearing. I can't remember which one he said. That's one. It's the other. Oh, this one's shinier. It's a little different. This one's shiny, more countersunk. Oh, there's no two sets of holes. This one feels a little slower. Now, for the first time ever doing doubles with two same knives. I've never actually done with the same balance and the same. They're a little different, but pretty sure this is the one. I can't tell. My hand's a little greasy, but I can feel the tank up drag still. Or not the tank up, the screw fell out. Put this to the side. He told me it wasn't Loctite. Just a little different than. Anyways, thanks again, Bongo, for the temporary loan. I will be making a review for both these knives. Hands are really greasy right now. It's really not good for flipping. Thanks for watching.